Hello students, welcome to Chatterjee Academy. So this session is just to let you know that we have started taking admission for class 8, class 9, class 10 and class 11 students. So we are providing the coaching of science, and also we are helping you to build the foundation. So whenever we are saying that coaching of science means we are providing the coaching for ICSE students and also the CBSE students. So we are taking the regular mock test the monthly basis, and also we are having the standard doubt clearing session for our student. Okay, so apart from that we are having the parent discussion with like PTM for every month, and also we are taking individual student classes as per their requirement, right? So whenever we are starting a batch, the batch size is very short. It's very small batches, so students will feel like they are very individually guided by our faculties, right? So we will ensure that each and individual students are getting the proper coaching, and also we are here to give you extra time for the students development on topic wise. Let's say for any particular topic, let's say students is facing difficulties in factorization, in fraction, in different mathematical and geometry part. So we are arranging separate classes for students, because the difficulties depends on the different student. Like few students are having difficulties on geometry part, few on the arithmetic part of mathematics. So we are just guiding them accordingly, and we are ensure that they are getting the fearless learning here, right? So next is that for physics, we are coaching the physics on pure fundamental basis. Like first few weeks we will be fully focused on the fundamental learning, and we believe that fundamental learning on physics definitely help them to cover the syllabus, and also to get them ready for the national exams, right? So we are having the lab, dry lab, where we are giving the instrument to student, like to learn the basic electrical circuit from class 8, 9 students. So they are getting confidence how the currents are flowing, what is the voltage source, right? So what is the reflection of the current, and how the what is the conducting wire. So these are the things we are having the hands-on experiences in our academy, apart from the the regular coaching. And also we are having the instrument like microscope, and also we are having the library facilities which is absolutely free. The laboratory is absolutely free. So these things are for the the student to make them more aspirant, like whoever having the aspiration in astronaut, right? We are having few sessions like in an awareness program, where we are taking a the awareness program on the astronomy part, right? And similarly, for if your students is having aspiration on the research part, like if someone is going to biological research, someone is physics research, and nowadays the research is a multidisciplinary, right? So whenever you're going to do research, it's not like fully physics, fully chemistry, fully mathematics, right? So it's a joint research. So joint research means lots of different factors. Students are coming, they club together for a big project in research. So we are giving this real time story to the students, so that they can get them prepared from the initial days. So whoever the aspiration for different topic, we are inviting the guest faculties, like whoever established in different institute, like maybe few scientists are coming, few doctors are coming to give the aspiration on the the medical students, right? So we are inviting different personalities in our academy to make an overall awareness to our students, to motivate the students, because motivating the students is very important. Once they will get the motivation, so it will help them to learn more and to kick off. The problem is the focus and to love the subject. Once our job, primary job, to make the students comfortable and to give them confidence that yes, this subject is easy, and if you give a regular effort, definitely you can able to achieve the success, right? So we are helping them, like the ordinary readings, how to make the not avoid the ordinary readings, how to start writing habits, the formula, the write down the form, how to recall. So we are having separate session for the recall technology, how to recall the things without seeing the books, and this recall technology is helping before the annual or half yearly exams, right? So this is about the regular coaching we are having. Apart from that, we are having the the foundation classes, like students from class 8 coming here, and those who is having the aspiration for the national like JEE, IIT and the NEET. So we are starting a separate program for that. We are not charging anything additional for the foundation classes. And foundation means, yes, this is absolutely a strong foundation, like students of class 8 and 9, we are giving them the knowledge. Let's say for the equation of motions, right? The linear equations, we are starting from class 8, then class 9. Then during the end of the class 9, whoever having the aspiration for national entrance like JEE or NEET, we are giving them the bridge gap between the class 9 and class 11. Like equation of motion, this is a chapter like, what are you have in the class 11. So there is a huge overlap. We are giving them coaching on the overlap part of class 9 and 11. Similarly, for class 10 students, maybe for ICSE and CBSE, this class 10 having an overlap with the class 12, let's say for current electricity. Okay, let's say for the, static electricity. These things are having in class 9 and 10. Again, we'll get this in the class 12. So we are taking few part from class 12 to make them understand what is what you have in the class 9 or 10. Let's say like alternating current, it is having in the class 10 course curriculum, right? So alternating current, what is the inner mechanism? Like, the electromagnetic inductions. So it is there, the student of class 10 having very small part of this. So we are helping them to understand what actually happening, what is change in magnetic field flux, what is magnetic field, what is magnetic flux, so what is change of that, and what cause induced EMF. So those things we are socialize them from the beginning level, so that it will give them more interest. So if the students got interest, it will help them. Okay.